Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of the LeetCode, which is LeetCode 2484, find the pivot integer. So here is given a positive integer and you have to find the pivot integer. Pivot integer is basically the sum of elements from 1 to x is equals to x to n. So you just have to find the breaking means the breaking point of the number where the sum is equals to left hand side and right hand side. Okay, suppose here is given an example where n is equals to 8. You have to find the element from where the let's suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is written. You have to find the breaking point where the sum of left hand side and right hand side is equal. Means for example 1 2 3 4 5 6. The sum of an element is 21, which is equals to the 6 7 8. Okay, so you have to return the 6. So let's do this. In sum, you will find the sum n into n, direct formula to find the sum of an element by 2. Long sum x equals to 0 for n I equals to 1 and I less than equals to n, then I plus sum plus equals to I, sum x. It will be sum x, and then I have to check the condition if 2 into sum x is equals to sum plus I, then I have to return I. After this loop, you just have to return the minus 1. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. This has been accepted.